Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write logo on sticky header and also show logo again when scroll up in Elementor WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to write logo on scroll and when scroll up, logo visible. Now on top you see edit with Elementor and then you see Elementor header. So open it. So this is our logo, so click on it and then you see content style advanced, so click on advanced. So we are going to add CSS ID. Now paste. So we added logo height and then click on update. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor and then you see custom code, so click on it. So you can add code in WP code plugin also, so it's up to you. We are using Elementor Pro plugin, so that's why we are using custom code. If you are not using Elementor Pro plugin, then you can install WP code plugin and then you can add this code. So click on add new. So you can add title and then you see location head and now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So in code we added CSS ID logo ID. Now you see logo ID visible, logo ID hidden and then click on publish, include entire site and then save and close and then you see custom code publish. Go to website page. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see logo is height and when we scroll up then you see again logo. So we added custom code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.